Welcome to Artifiical. This is Ritesh Srinivasan. You might have heard the term artificial intelligence quite frequently these days. Every company has an artificial intelligence solution. Every company advertises that they have some artificial intelligence in their products. You have also heard of different things like uh, autonomous driving, robots. You have seen artificial intelligence robots in movies. So, in this video, let us try to understand what is artificial intelligence. If you are new here and you like such content, please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Let us look at intelligence. Intelligence can be simply defined as the ability to perceive or infer information, to retain it as knowledge, and then apply it towards a behavior within an environment. Right? So, we humans have natural intelligence, which enables us to remember descriptions of things and also use these descriptions in future behaviors. It is a cognitive or a mental process enabled by the human brain. It gives us humans the abilities to learn, to form concepts, to understand, to reason. We can also recognize patterns, we can innovate, we can plan, we can solve problems, and we can also employ language to communicate our ideas. So, intelligence enables humans to experience and think. Similarly, plants and animals also have some form of intelligence. Now, in contrast, let's look at artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be simply defined as the intelligence demonstrated by machines. It is used to describe machines or computers that mimic cognitive functions or human like behavior that we associate with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. The field of AI research was born at a workshop at Dartmouth College in the year 1956, where the term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy to describe intelligent machines. Let us look at what are the challenges present for an AI system. An AI system should be able to reason, it should be able to do problem solving, it should be able to plan and schedule events, it should be able to represent knowledge in a certain format, it should be able to move, basically motion. If you consider a robot, it needs to move in its environment. It should be able to process speech, it should be able to perceive the environment. So basically, it should be able to visually see the environment, which is computer vision. It should be able to recognize speech, speech recognition. It should be able to do natural language processing to understand the intent of the actors in the environment. It should have some kind of a learning mechanism present. So that is where machine learning, deep learning, and other kind of learning algorithms come in. Then it should also have social intelligence to interact along with the actors in an environment. It should have general intelligence to perform generic tasks. So each of these tasks or areas are active in the research community, and every day newer research is being done in these areas. Now let us look at some of the tools used in artificial intelligence systems. Now if you look at the problem areas for say problems of reasoning or say problem solving, you can consider this to be something like an optimization problem, or you are searching in a search space for an optimal solution. You can also think of this as evolutionary algorithms. So in this particular space, you have things like or algorithms like beam search, hill climbing, simulated annealing. You also have genetic algorithms. You also have ant colony optimization. You have particle swarm optimization. So these search algorithms can also be applied in the space of robotics. For example, if a robot has to find a particular path, so it is kind of a search space for it to find an optimal path to reach from a source to the destination. Now, if you look at knowledge representation, again problem solving and reasoning, you can also have propositional logic based systems, you can have fuzzy logic, you can have expert systems for these areas. Now, in the space of artificial intelligence, there are a lot of areas where you have to deal with uncertainty. This is where you have Bayesian networks, you have hidden Markov models. So these are probability based algorithms which can deal with uncertainty in data. Then for learning algorithms, you have this huge field of statistical and machine learning algorithms. So these machine learning and statistical algorithms can be used for perception as well. Say for example, in computer vision, to make sense of what are all the objects present in a scene. For speech recognition, it can be used by a robot to identify its environment. It can be used in natural language processing to perform operations like information extraction, clustering, right? Now, if you look at the statistical and machine learning algorithms, under that you have various traditional algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, SVMs, decision trees, random forest. You also have the newer fields of deep learning and artificial neural network. Artificial neural network is a very simplistic representation of the neurons present in the human brain. So when you have multiple layers of an artificial neural network, you have a deep neural network from which the field of deep learning emerged. Let us look at the types of AI systems. The first type is weak or narrow AI system. So here the AI system has better results or has beaten humans on a narrow task like say playing chess, face recognition, etc. So these systems are highly trained on specific data and are not capable of performing any other tasks. But then they also have very high levels of performance on these particular tasks. Now the second level is artificial general intelligence or AGI. Here the strong AI or AGI allows a machine to apply knowledge and skills in different contexts. For example, if there was an autonomous driving system which was trained on American roads, it is able to adapt itself to Indian roads. The next level is artificial superintelligence. Here, the AI has developed, say, consciousness, and it also exceeds human intelligence level and operates at genius intelligence levels. Let us look at some current day AI applications. So Google Translate is an AI application. It translates from one language to the other language, whatever you have typed. Sony has the small robot dog, Aibo. You have Roomba, which is a autonomous vacuum cleaner from iRobot. Then you have this program AlphaGo from DeepMind, which beat a champion at the Go game. Then you have face recognition. You have autonomous driving. So there are a lot of successful AI applications, but of late it has become a trend to say every application has AI if it does some data analysis and gives out results. We are really far from the true capability of AI. We are just having narrow AI systems at the moment. I hope you have understood what is meant by an artificial intelligence system and what is artificial intelligence. If you like such content, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please press the bell icon so that you would get notifications whenever I create a new video. See you in the next video. Bye.